So last night kind of didn't go like I wanted it to on this car. There was some issues. No issues with the actual car until the very end, but, well, it was with the car. But you want to see what the main issue was? Ready? I'm gonna pull the throttle cable. Watch this brake gas pedal. Oh, wait a minute. This was, Buddy bent it for me. You ready? Oh, now you're stuck wide open until you get hit. And then you touch the gas again, wide open again. Oh my God, that's weird. You hit somebody, not wide open. So I kind of maybe missed that one. So as you can tell, this car got stuck wide open last night, and I am some sore. My neck is sore, my thumbs are sore. Look what I did to my thumb last night trying to hold onto the wheel. I had 2 hands on the wheel, 2 feet on the brake pedal trying to slow this thing down. I wasn't going to turn off. I just didn't want to hurt nobody. I couldn't slow the car down. The only time it went out of red line basically is when I hit somebody and it knocked it loose, but as soon as I touched the throttle it would go wide open again. So I think I used the back end twice. I ended up putting a PT Cruiser on the blocks, but I didn't even know because I was trying to slow this thing down, so I didn't even know I put them on the blocks. They got my attention and I quickly ran over and got them off the blocks because they will DQ you if you don't get them off the blocks. But no, everything other than that went pretty good. I went to the middle of the track and I was actually pretty sore. That PT Cruiser and I went back to back pretty hard in the middle track, and the PT Cruiser pretty much ripped all this out and jammed me that hard into my cage. So he hit me pretty good, and I pretty much just sat there in the middle of the track for a couple seconds trying to figure out where I was and what was going on, because I got rocked. I don't know a better way to word it. I don't want to over-exaggerate you guys, but I got rocked in this car last night. I remember sitting there for like 10 seconds just shaking my head trying to figure out what's going on and how do I keep going, because this car here was not going to slow down. Every time I touched that gas pedal, just wide open. So I was a little concerned about that. Tried to figure out a way. Figured if I just putted around, because if I just putted it wasn't so bad, but as soon as I gave it a lot of gas, wide open. So that was an issue. But then I went to the middle of the track and some damage happened. And I was so, well, what's the word for this? I was so rocked earlier that I didn't even care that this car was out. I was like, you know what, it's probably safer for everybody if this car is out. Take a look at what happened.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
This is how hard I got rocked last night. I broke the ball joint, I broke the spindle, broke the axle. Tie rod's still straight, but I'm gonna have to replace that tie rod now. The only thing left is pretty much the brake line, and like, wow. I got rocked last night. My God, I am some sore. It bent right behind my repair plates right here. It bent more right here. The seams are ripping out of it back here. Oh, strut towers are gone. You can see it's gone there. You can see it's rippling all back here. I did not want to drive as fast as I did last night. I said to the promoter, I was like, oh boy, here's the funny thing though, I did not bend the strut. Strut is still straight. I said to the promoter last night, I said, sorry man, like my car got stuck wide open. I didn't even know I put Buddy on the blocks. And his reply was, really? That's the way you always drive. And I was like, true, but usually I have control. Car ran, never skipped a beat other than sticking wide open. Never skipped a beat. It started up in the ring. They ended up loading me with a loader last night. This car will be ran again, and it will be fixed. But my God, I am sore. My neck is sore. My back is sore. Even the side of my leg is sore. Yes, I'm wearing pink Crocs. It's because I didn't want to find shoes this morning. I just feel like today's going to be one of those days where I just sit around and do nothing because I'm actually really sore and it hurts to move my neck and everything. I know that you guys think I'm just being a little baby, but this was probably one of the harder derbies this year. Every hit in the back was directly in the cage. I might just go to Alston, get breakfast and some batteries and play Wreckfest all day because I definitely don't feel like doing too much. But yeah, I have GoPro footage. I haven't even watched it yet, so I'm going to have to edit it all up and see how bad it went inside the ring for me. But this car, nothing's really changed on it. The front passenger frame did tweak a bit more where my repair plates are. I actually bent the repair plate, so that's a little bit different. I broke this bolt out of the top of my motor mount, so I'll have to put that back in. Alternator worked, that was good. Everything was really good except for this. Except for that. But well, thanks for watching, guys. We'll have this probably fixed up and running again in no time. I'm gonna have to fix it to be able to get it off the trailer, so probably later on today or tomorrow I'll drive this thing back to the back and pull her apart and get her starting to be fixed. But that's the aftermath of Orangeville, Ontario. Tough car, tough track. I'm gonna say right now, Orangeville is one of the toughest tracks around. It's a very big, very fast-paced track with a hard-packed ground. The ground is so hard that you get traction no matter what. The guys doing figure eight kept popping tires because they had too much traction in the corners. And too little tire pressure, too high a traction pops tires. But every year in Orangeville, it is a hard-hitting track. Look at that bumper. You can see how much that driver frame rail's getting disintegrated. Sorry, the passenger frame rail's getting disintegrated. But thanks for watching, guys. The aftermath from Orangeville. She will be fixed. This will be going on to run number, if you count heats, this will be round number 5 coming up for it once it's fixed. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back here tomorrow on Zach's Workshop.